There's this cool new ruler that's out by Creative Grids, and it's for cutting half-square triangles. This one is to cut 2.5-inch half-square triangles, so I thought I would show you how it works. And this is kind of like a 2-in-1 ruler, because on this side you can cut your strips out of your strips from the fabric, and then on this side you actually cut your triangles. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut my fabric. I have a straight edge here, and I'm going to fold it again so I can cut 4 layers at a time. And then I'll put my ruler on and line up this grid line right here, which is at 2.5 inches. And then I can just cut the strip off. Now I've already cut a 2.5-inch strip from this other fabric because I'm doing a block that has half-square triangles. Half of it, one patch is this fabric and the other patch is this fabric. What I'll do is put these right sides together and line up the raw edges. So I'll turn this over so I can see where the fabric ends. And then I'll put the triangle side on here. And what you want to do, this is nice because you've got little finger holes here, which also are spaces for the rotary cutter, but it's nice because you can move this around. So basically what you're doing is matching, there's a grid line here, which is the bottom of your fabric, and then the end of the ruler, which is here, and that needs to be lined up on your fabric. And then you just start cutting. So you cut that one, and then if you're really clever, you can cut like that. And just keep your finger out of the way. I'm just cutting back and forth. Now once I'm finished, I'll lift this ruler up and then separate these. And the thing is, now I've got half-square triangles and there's no wasted fabric. So I actually, out of this piece, got 9 half-square triangles, and they're ready to take to the sewing machine because they're facing right sides together. All I have to do is take them to the machine and stitch along that edge. And then also, because I just can chain stitch them, they'll just go straight through. So that's very cool. Again, this is it's Creative Grid is who makes it. This is 2.5-inch half-square triangles. You can also get isosceles triangles and bigger half-square triangles.